Yeah, man. About 20 seconds, folks. All right, I think we're ready. We're ready, folks. Here we come. Man, I tried something new tonight. And we'll see how it works, man. I have a feeling it's going to work absolutely amazing. Okay, I try to kill this guy, but this guy is not exactly weak to the sauce, guys. He's not weak to the sauce. I could, like, get someone to come in and help me wipe it out, right? I don't see who's here yet. It's probably gonna take a minute, so I think I'm gonna just maybe get a maybe just summon a random. Oh, I have a password though. Let me take the password off. Okay. Let me try that again. And we'll get this guy killed, man. This guy's annoying. You know what I'm saying? And I didn't really make plans with anybody. If I would have made a date, if I would have made a date with somebody, they could have come here and met me. You know what I'm saying? You would think you get a random. If anyone's here, if anyone's watching, I'm on PC. Trey, Kat, Drew, one of them will be here sooner or later, but they're not here yet, folks. Come on. This is a summoning pool, right? Is now functional, but isn't it functional anyway? How do you do that, guys? Ah, there they all are. This guy looks good. Melee scenario. Guys, we summoned a random. He's got a pumpkin head and a huge freaking sword. Okay? So if you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, play chess. We play Elden Ring After Dark. And this is my lightning cheese build that is... what was it? Guys, go watch the fire giant.
Hey! Hey!
Hey, buddy. Come help me. You know, maybe I'll put my weapon on too. Because my lightning didn't do too much. You know what I'm saying? I think my flask isn't going to do much for me. He's doing some madness. Now, one thing I want to do, too, for the first time in my life, is dodge the lightning attack. Fire. We're getting lag. Am I getting burned? I might be too far for this. Dude, don't die. Don't die. Oh, he put the poison on him. Don't stand there. He'll hit us both with the fire. You don't want to let him line you up. for the fire, guys. Can I grab the runes? You could hit him, you know, buddy. Watch the floor. They're like, watch the floor. Dude, I watch the floor. You mean a floor under him? Does anyone know how to dodge that attack? I don't want him to lag into me and kill me. We got him.
Hey! Hey!
Nice, man. You want to come in here? No, I think I'm going to send him home. I think I'm going to send him home, guys. I think I'm going to send him home. Multiplayer. He's gone. You're out of here, buddy. You don't get to kill my Maliketh. I'm going to try and cheese Maliketh. Sanji, what's up, my brother? How you doing, man? You have to roll the moment he begins to swing his hand down. Caleb, what's up? Truth, what's up? After Darkest Unite. Yeah, that was very easy, and the beauty about that is he's dead. He's gone. So now we can go back to our regular cheesing scenario. I might have to do phase 1. Phase 1, he jumps around. Well, he jumps around way too much in every phase. So this is going to be tricky. I may end up calling in the boys for this at some point, guys, because this can be tricky. Oh, runes, cool. I'll take them. This could be pretty tricky. I learned how to do this with something similar. I don't think I flasked yet. I think I flasked somewhere in the middle. So I think we're just going to run in and try and kill this thing. Oh, we're going to buff, though, right, guys? We got to buff up. Grant me strength. A little bit of Al. Caleb's here. Kevin's here. Sanji. Love you guys, man. Thanks for coming in. I think this is the move. We're going to get, like, a whole cutscene and what have you. Why no cutscene?
Who approacheth destined death will not have it stolen from me again.
I should have rolled back. Why would you roll backwards? Guys, it's been a long time. I remember this too. The key is, I'm too close. The key is you got to stay at the right range. That was bad. I wanted the big dam, guys. Ooh, that thing's in my way. Oh, I meant to jump. What? I didn't hit F? Well, that sucks. I'm running away so I can heal. Okay, now. Could I target him, please? Quick ones. Okay. Well, if we can get a phase 2, it'd be great. Just to, F. Where's my jump key? There it is. Well, we'll have no health pots for phase 2, but you know what? If we can get phase 2. I got phase 2, but that thing might hit me. It does do some decent damage. Okay. See, well, I was trying to do too much there. I have to get phase 1. That was my first attempt, guys. That was my first attempt with this build. Maybe I do drink phase 1. I do my flask phase 1. Because that's going to do more damn. I always stayed behind a pillar when I did this fight, hiding like a chicken. Caleb, yeah, the thing is, it helps. It helps. It helps. If you get the range down, you don't want to be too close to him, but you don't want to be too far from him. And if you get the range down, that was the deal, the game changer for me, to where I did it very well. I had some no hit attempts. It wasn't on my actual kill, but I had some no hit attempts on phase 1 where it was with the snow witch. Okay, I was so far away. I literally looked. Dude, I don't know what the deal is with my I'm literally looking at my keyboard because I swear I hit F the first 2 times and it wouldn't jump. I know it's jumping. Dude, he closed all that range. All that range while I'm trying to heal. Kind of like this. Not greedy. That was dumb. I think we did a mutual hit there. Pillars are lifesavers. Right, right. Hey, it's part of the terrain, man. It's part of the terrain. Okay, we got a dodge right here, I think. Dude, I just drank! But you see, I got a cheese off, guys. I got a cheese spell off right there at the beginning. I dodged one. I think feel like he missed me, though. Get the band back together for rehearsal. I got plenty of cowbell. Okay. That was a much better phase 1. As it should be, right? And we did damn on phase 2. I mean, could have been some RNG there. We could have got a little bit lucky. But I'm feeling pretty good about this. I'm feeling like it's very possible. Lighting spear, man, I'm telling you, the timing on the with the snow witch and the freaking that spell I was using, I can't think of the name of it. It was much better. Massive damage on that last spell. Yeah. Yep. The thing is, I don't know how I'm gonna get a second one off. And I gotta get comfortable. See, I'm trying to cheese phase 2. That's the problem with it. But but I'm cool with it. Oh, I think I might have the wrong gear on. I jumped it too early because I'm looking at my keyboard because I don't believe I have the. Oh, God. Oh, God. Dude, that was a targeting fiasco. That was a camera scenario. Yep. I'm too far when he's doing that. Being far is bad. When I'm that far away, I should be able to just step between them if I just pay attention. Dave Joyce, what's up, man? What's up? We are putting together the Maliketh kill with the lightning build. That is going to be, We're working on it. Oh yeah, I want to look at my equipment. No, I have all my stuff on here. So this will work. What's going on with you, Dave Joyce? Everything good, I hope. Hope things are well. I had a cool day, man. Just kind of creating some content over here, making some shorts mainly for YouTube and TikTok, but mainly YouTube. I got them up, folks. You can check them out at the page right here on YouTube. Let's just buff up and get right. Wait. Wrong order of operations, Kevin Cook. Hi, Dave. Forgot it was Friday. That's the first one I dodged, guys. The first one I've dodged so far today. He hit me a couple times. Where's my next? I gotta get behind the pillar, not, I want full for my ritual towards talisman, even though... Come on. Come on! That dude's doing it again. Won't let me target him. Big one. Hey! You can get him, Charlie. Yeah, I'm good. Been out for a few beers, watched the documentary, and now I'm chilling with some Elden Ring, mate. Cool. Now, we're going to try and dodge the first attack and then get a cheese. Okay, what do you guys think? I didn't dodge it. I got hit by it. And look at him. Look at him, guys. We got this. We got this, man. Julia Morrow subscribed, man, 21 hours ago. Thank you. Brian Kinney also subscribed on YouTube, man. Thank you guys for the subs. I appreciate it very, very much. Guys, I almost had him right there, man. You know, probably maybe because the Golden Vow and Flame Grant Strength might have still been up. I don't know if they were. But I got to try and charge attacks and get through phase 1 quick. That was pretty nice, huh? And I got nailed by the first attack. That would hit harder if I would have had my full health because my ritual ritual sword talisman. Okay, let's do this in order. Now I want to hit him with big ones, guys. We want to get to phase 2 quick. He didn't charge me. He hit me. He dodged that one. Okay. Come on, buddy. Ah! Dude, I ran right into it, man. It was strafing me. Okay, we're gonna try and get a little bit of range and see if we can't do a little bit of dam. I couldn't run from that. That's okay. We've dodged that attack once. Yeah, this is the cheese build, man. This is the cheese build. It keeps you from doing things like having to play Elden Ring, although right now I'm having to play Elden Ring. Because I gotta get... Phase 1 is just not... It's not a gimme, you know what I mean? And Phase 2 actually might be a gimme, man. It might be a gimme. I wonder if I ran out of mana, and that's why I didn't do as much damage. It's possible. It's possible. See, what I have to do, because I learned last time when the Snow Witch build, to just get better at phase 1 and control phase 1 very well. Then, like, when he's about, I kill him when I want to. Then I can combine a pillar, full health, full mana, flask if I want to. You know what I'm saying? And then, but I think the flask is going to last. But part of my flask gives me unlimited mana, which I think is wrong. Did we change that? Equipment eliminates all FP consumption. I mean, that lasts for like 10 seconds. That's like for or 15 seconds. That's common Azure. That's not for this. I mean, it can be for this if I'm going to run right up on a boss, drink my flask, and hit the lightning. You know? Harness your inner stream rock. Yeah, man. That sounds like the move. I want to put my ears on, folks. We're gaming tonight, folks. Okay, now I can hear stuff. Grab me some strength. Let's go. Let's go. I burn a little flash there goofing around. Well, I guess I cut the corner, folks. Maybe if I'm gonna do, maybe if I'm gonna do that, I should jump the. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, not ideal. Not ideal. It's okay. You know, I probably wasted a 5 seconds off my flask anyway. That could have been very important later in game. I harnessed my inner stream rock there, of course, actually, and jumped off the freaking edge of the world, folks. That wasn't good. It was not good. It was not ideal. I could have done better. I should have known better. We ain't picking up runes. You know why? Because there's nothing there, guys. Okay. Just right back into the fight, guys. Did I go on Val? Not yet. Let's go! I should have gone forward on that. I probably shouldn't have took that chance. Okay, let's try and heal up. Ate that one. I'm dead. Well, if I can get around this, I guess. I probably shouldn't top off. Wow! This is horrible. This is horrible. I have nothing what I want here. Okay. Yeah, see, I gotta stay under him to cast it. I gotta stay. See how before I was under him? Hopefully hard tier, then speckled tier to boost resistance and damage negation, and hopefully help with Destined Death in phase 2 with Maliketh if he's active. Yeah, that's probably a good move, man. Because that spell, it's not doing anything. That spell is for like when you run up to a big beside a big dragon, and you want to channel your spell for 15 seconds. It's not, or 8 seconds or something. That's not happening here. Joe H, how you doing, my brother? Mixed Wondrous Physical, boost lightning attacks, and this one is going to be, temporarily. Wait. Where's the other bubble tier rate? It's not upline, right? It's oh yeah, it is hard tier. Okay, I got the hard tier now, so that's going to take less damage. And I got to be under him. You should have the shard in your inventory to alleviate Destined Death. You can equip it where your pots are and pop it on the fly. I believe that, but I've never done that before. So I just don't believe that it's something I need to do. I'm not saying it would make the fight harder. What is the shard? What is it? You should have the shard in your inventory. What's it called? What is this shard that you speak of? What is it? Witchcraft. While you guys are thinking about that, I'm going to give it another shot. F. It's not hard. Dude, I thought you could go through when they were far away like that. Come on, I'm trying to drink because you hit me, buddy. I guess I should turn around and look at him first. Guys, it's like I want all the damn, and so it just burns. Dude. Those things so far have been the biggest problem with this. And gonna have no health pots. Probably. Oh, I thought I was gonna phase 2 him. Okay. Okay, all I gotta do is dodge. I didn't go close enough. He missed me though. Got him again. The same percentage, pretty much. Look at that. Look at that, man. I mean, I need. Okay. Do you see how when he did the little rake thing that comes at my feet? The time I did best at it is when I go forward and I jump it. I go forward and I jump it. I go forward and I jump it. I feel like I lost my jump key in my brain, but now I'm like, okay, I have my jump key. I have my jump key. Do a little parkour, little parkour. Little parkour. Here we go. Jump. 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 He does it, bang, jump. He does it, bang, jump. It's right there. The blasphemous claw. That's the thing to parry his thing or something, though, isn't it? Yesterday he kept killing me with his ash. When you're locked on him, it's hard to get out, and it quickly life steals you. I believe it. I just also almost killed him without any of that stuff. You know what I'm saying? I didn't kill him, but I almost did. The flask is still working at that point. The buffs probably are not. So well, let's think about this. I have 6 flasks of mana. I think I need like 3, maybe 4. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that was close, man. That was close. Allocate flaskuses. Allocate them. Let's do like this. And to be honest, I think we probably could have gone with 3. Now, I really would like to buff before phase 2. How crazy is that? Yeah, it is a parry ability. Forget that crap. Well, no, it's not that it's crap. It's awesome. It's just that I've never done it before. I know there's certain of those attacks you can parry and some that you can't. Right? I know a little bit about the fight. I just know enough about that to where I'm like, I don't know. Now, when I dodge, I felt like I was too far away from him. So I'm not sure how to handle that. Oh, wait. I can't believe he hit me. Whoa! Someone's gonna get dangerous! Wow. I should have made more range. That's just a little too close. Uh-oh. That was, I think, a powerful attack if I wanted it. Okay. Time to, No! 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 Come on, target him. He hit me, man. He hit me. Dude, like, here's the problem with this is I'm not going to get my ritual sword talisman. It's like I almost didn't even care. I mean, I wanted it. I wanted to try it. The thing is, I'm starting to get phase 2 more often, right? So we're gonna get more chances to get that pull down. I don't know if I should just stay where I am. I don't know if I just stay where I. It's gonna be all about positioning on the dodge, whether or not I can get the cheese off. You know what I'm saying? I feel like parry is terrible in Elden Ring. Not a very good window. Yeah, with that particular attack, though, with that thing, that's the item you get from Bernal or whatever, right? They say the window's huge on that. With that, they say it's really pretty forgiving. Gives you there's plenty of time. I actually, believe it or not, I'm gonna maximize this, guys. We're gonna maximize this. Because my spells are in the wrong order, kind of. And I want to, here's what I want to do. A parry is a must. A Sekiro, I feel like parry is terrible. Yeah. I never played Sekiro, man. Memorize spell. Okay, I want, after Lightning Spear, I want this one. So if I just swap these two, I think I'm okay. So this one, I want the Lightning Spear. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, is it going to be over here somewhere? Yeah, it looks like it could be in here. Oh, I think I would have to forget this one. Now, let me just remove this one. Remove this one. Buff. Here, I want Lightning Spear. And here, I want Ancient Dragons. Okay, there we go. Okay, now, very, very simple to scroll through the spells. More, it'll flow better with the fight. You know what I'm saying, guys? And, switch. Starlight shards to me are so beautiful. Just use them. Just use Starlight shards. You know what I mean? Shards. It's just more mana, guys. But you see what I did there, guys? I got behind the pillar before I killed him, and I buffed, and then I got hit. If I didn't get hit there, I go into that next thing full, man. That would have been pretty sweet. Okay. Sekiro's really hard from what I've heard, man. That's what you're talking about. I knew he was going to come in. Damn it. Wow! Hey, we bought these pots for a reason, folks. We're not gonna top off. I gotta go buff. I gotta go buff. I thought for sure! I was so far away, I'm like, I could definitely dodge through those. I could have killed him, guys, but I wanted to buff. And then I was at the wrong range for those things. It's okay. That was just, but see how a couple of health pots, phase 2 is very possible. Fully buffed. Fully buffed. As a matter of fact, a move might be, save my flask, put on a bubble tier. Do you know that? That could be the move, guys. Save my flask, Phase 1 will take longer, but save my flask, put on a bubble tier, and then I might be able to get my cheese off. Because I might get a second shot when he's no health. Like if I would have had a bubble tier, those other 2 attempts, I might have had him just by spamming my button. Do you guys agree? But then I wouldn't have had my flask for phase 1, and it helps do damage, man. So the flask is still helping phase 1. It's kind of like with Radagon. I started out with everything to keep me alive and kill Radagon. And then once I started getting him consistently, I started taking things away and adding stuff to help on the Elden Beast. You know what I'm saying? I'm not there yet on this. I'm getting close, though. Little Starlight Shard, just for poops and giggles. Sekiro's all about having to cope with the difficulty and cope with different combat systems. Man, Sekiro, that game scares me, bro. Sekiro scares me. Good, I like when he does just that. Wow, I didn't think I could do it that far away. Okay, I hit him. He ain't taking much. Damn, why not? Did I not buff? Well, he took a little. Wow. Okay. I swear I feel like I fear I didn't do something with the buffs. Boy, he sure came around a corner quick there, man. I thought I'd get more time, buddy. What are we doing here? We're drinking. I kind of wanted that to be phase 2, but... Okay, I don't want phase 2 yet because I want to be fully healed. Now my buffs are going away. Okay, here we go. I gotta dodge, but I gotta try and stay close to him. I didn't, I was like literally too close to him. Lady Butterfly teaches you to utilize your equipment. You guys talking about Sekiro, man? Yeah, Sekiro gives me freaking anxiety just thinking about that game. I already know that game is rough. I'm like, I don't know if I want to start it. Okay, so phase 1, what do you guys think? Phase 1 getting pretty good? Pretty under control? Pretty under control. I was too close to him. And there's a little RNG with this spell, too. There really is. The way it hits him. But I've hit him real good with it twice. And I've done not so good with it twice. And then I need to just learn how to play a little bit. Just here, supporting Carly, and Trey Karish. Okay. Isn't it funny how I like a Starlight Shard? It's just like, I don't know. I'm a caster, right? Oh. Well, can I recover? just for you guys, I'll try. That's definitely a big punish. Whenever he does it, drag on the ground. I wasn't running. That was charged too, but that was to get me in position. Ah! That was to get me in position for phase 2. Demon of Hatred is awesome. Just get used to playing a different style of combat. It throws you for ultra-aggressive Bloodborne boss. It can be cheesed. Saw someone today try and claim Bloodborne is the easiest Souls game. Ha! Trey, what's up, dude? Troy, I've had phase 2 like 6% twice. But it's a little RNG involved. What? I'm going to try and play a lot slower in phase 2. I'm going to do what I said. Guys. I'm going to use a bubble tier and I'm going to drink it before phase 2. So I can maybe get the cheese spell off. You know what I'm saying? This is somewhere where it actually... The bubble tier has always been my noob spell. Which where I'm like, well, at least I won't take one hit. But now, for what happened on our good pulls, if I would have had a bubble tier and I would have drank it before I went in there, I probably would have killed him. I believe it. Is phase 1 trivial? No, it's not. Sanji Drew, what's up, guys? You know, I'm giving this the old college try, but you know, at some point, you know, I don't know. I actually summoned a stranger for the tree sentinel guy. I really did, because I wanted to do it right at the beginning of the stream. And I'm like, well, I don't think Drew or Kat or Trey is here yet. So I'm just I summoned, he came in with the pumpkin head and a big sword. And me and a stranger got her done, folks. I just love to see my mana go up. Passive mana regeneration. I shouldn't have drank it, though. It was the whole point, guys. If I had more range. Should have done that. It's not like he's almost dead or anything. See what I'm saying, guys? Oh well. Yeah, you can turn that one attack that would kill destroyed me like on the first few attempts. I run toward it and I jump. I remember now. I learned this fight for the Snow Witch build, which actually. That Maliketh kill was probably a month ago. I don't know. Time flies when you're having fun, folks. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. We play Elden Ring after dark. I got the A-team waiting in the wings, man. These guys, I don't know if you guys are even playing tonight. I'm trying to kill this thing, man, because I want to do it with the cheese build. But I got to get a little lucky in phase 2, and I got to remember, don't drink my flask right now. Just don't even drink your flask, dude. Go in here, nice long fight. Okay, so I waste one tick of the, Okay, here we go. We're gonna go fully buffed to the bubble into, There's no way that first one didn't hit him. I mean, it didn't. I hate being to that spot. And I also feel like, do I like have crap stamina or something? Why did I feel like I could charge one there? I mean, because he was kind of far away, but still. I think it's supposed to run those, too. Oh, God. How are we doing? We're getting pretty close. We're not there yet, though. Wow, they just missed me. I want to hit him one more time as I get to my pillar. Gotta go this way. Okay. Oh, no! Get me out of here! Come on, man. This is perfect. I blew it. Hey! Okay, okay. This is oh, I didn't buff! I didn't freaking buff! I was supposed to freaking buff! I have all the time in the world to buff! Okay, we'll see if we can get the cheese off. Yeah, he kills me through the wall. See, I still have to play. I still have to play. Look, but see that I've had 2 attempts better than that. We've been going for 45 minutes, so it's been a few. Although we did kill the tree sentinel too. He catches almost every time with the staff, considering only punishing right after he throws something. I hope we get a Modir level dragon again in the Elden Ring DLC. Emitter. There has to be at least one dragon. Mid-level? I don't know what that means. Midder level? So close. I know how that second attack missed. Yeah, I think he was out of range. He was out of range, Trey. But, guys, that was operator error. Because everything was good, except I have hit him with that one first attack, Trey, and it brought him down to almost nothing. When I got behind the pillar in phase 1, when I drank my bubble, I was supposed to buff Gold Vow and Flame Grant Me Strength. That would have made a difference. That would have made a difference. I wasn't buffed. I might have had him. I just got to dodge, and I got to hit him, though. I got to hit him. And that phase, I mean, that was a pretty bad phase 1. I still had plenty of health pots, and I hadn't used my flask. I kind of like wasting the Starlight Shards. We'll just do another playthrough if we need more. They're free, folks. Let's go! I think I'm supposed to run those. I try to dodge. Those things hit so gnarly, man. I wonder if I have to get... I feel like I do have to get close to him, but maybe I don't. Maybe I don't have to get close to him. I just know... You've seen me successfully dodge those pretty good. That was obviously operator error, folks. It was a skill issue on my part. If you're new to the stream, we just hit, what, 753 subs or something? If we hit 755 today, I'd be pretty happy. I know I might have got a couple from the shorts. I posted some shorts today. Whatever, 760 would be insane. I can't imagine getting 8. We'll get to 800 soon enough, guys. It just takes a minute. It just takes a minute. Golden Bow. Dude, I freaking might have had it with the buffs, with the gold vow and to grant me strength, man. I knew he was going to come do the hard pull. Don't use rolling to make distance. I knew that was going to happen. You were just talking about that. He always hits me with that. He does. You want to stay alive. Next time he does the nasty one, I'm going to try and do it from range. This one, well, look how close I am to him, though. That's... Okay, that was just to get into position for the buffs. Okay, we gotta see if we can get behind a thing now. Should have buffed first. I didn't flash yet, which is good. Oh, God. Come on! I botched the whole thing trying to make it perfect. I'm just trying to get behind it, and I want to. I buffed that time. And I just had to get behind another pillar. But I don't want to shoot him, because I don't want to phase 2. You know what I'm saying? I want to have time. I want to have time. I gotta be fully buffed for the phase. Come out. Kill him, probably with one hit. Or no hits, keep my bubble. And then get in there, dodge, and get a nuke off. And maybe, I might kill him with the first nuke. And if I don't, I'll have a bubble, and I can just whack him again and see what happens. I like the strat. It's not optimum. I could just, get good, but then it wouldn't be actually doing the. I want to kill him with the chi spell, guys. Oh, good. That wasn't worth it. Hey, I missed it, Billy. Okay, that was dumb. I don't know why it feels like... He's not sick enough yet. I gotta hurt him more. No! This is not good. I was not close enough to him. But I was like the whole time thinking, how can I get my my flask off? This whole thing is all about the buffing beforehand. That's all there is to it. I didn't get I did too much damage to him, guys. Bloodborne is my favorite game ever, says Dave Joyce. Seriously, I would pay a lot of money to have that experience of my first Bloodborne run again. The story and everything is amazing. Dude, that's really cool, man. I didn't know that, Dave Joyce. I mean, I've heard great things about Bloodborne, but what do they say the worst Souls game is? Dark Souls 2 or something? Black Flame Dragon? I don't even know what that is. You guys, man, you guys know the Souls genre, guys. I know Flaccid Ducks, that's all I know. I knew I could get a long one there, guys, because I saw him wind up. Range, the range is perfect in this game. You gotta have the perfect range, guys. That's a little far. No! No! Guys, was that like no hit? That went too good. I was like, okay, we have to do phase 1 again. I'm waiting for everything to go to hell, because it does every time. And then I'm in phase 2 and I'm not buffed.
Become my blade once more.
Freaking did it with the cheese spells. Whoa! Wait! Was that no hit? I have full health. I have full health. Was that a no hit? That was no hit both, right? I have it recorded. Did I just no hit Maliketh? Cheese Bill lives, folks. I didn't. When would I have drank? I know I no hit phase 1. And I never healed phase 2. Yeah. I don't think I've ever no hit Maliketh phase 1 and 2 before. I've done no hits on phase 1 before with the witch, with the snow witch, and I know I've done no hit with phase 2, big bonk, because I just ran in and like almost killed him with the first whack and then killed him with the second whack or something. Dude, that was awesome. That was worth, you know, 40 minutes of putting the win together. You know what I mean? My first no-hit Maliketh. So this cheese build has done shockingly well on Fire Giant. If you guys didn't see that, it doesn't take me 4 hours to kill Fire Giant. There's a couple of dialing ins, and then Fire Giant happens. But the way it happens is extraordinary. What was it? A no hit Fire Giant too? Yeah. It was a no hit Fire Giant, guys. It was a no hit Fire Giant because I remember I changed the title. I changed the title to, check it out, guys. It's a little bit misleading. You guys will know why. Because I changed the title to my best no hit Fire Giant ever. It's like, well, Charlie, someone who doesn't know me might be like, oh wow, this guy no hits Fire Giant on a regular basis and he just did the best one ever. You guys be like, well, I wouldn't believe it unless I saw it with my own eyes, Charlie. But yeah, you did no hit Fire Giant once. My best no hit Fire Giant ever, right? Oh man, I'm online. Any other shenanigans will be had. Oh man, you guys with your burnt. All you guys, you know what? Hey, Drew, you know what I'm going to do? If Drew's still here, I think I saw him here earlier. Maybe he's in and out. Did I see Drew? But I think I told you, Trey, but I think my Reduvia Daggers build is the one I am not going to burn the capital. And then I will always have a fun melee build to run in and help other people. Ah! You have died. I didn't think it was going to be that far. It's because the terrain dropped. Drew, yeah, I was telling Trey last night, I think the Reduvia Daggers build will be the one. I'm not going to, I just won't, I'm not going to burn the capital. I'll just keep that one. Maybe, can you change the names on your characters? I'll change the name to, like, do not burn capital. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not like, you know, have a few squirrels playing late one night and be like, why haven't I I want to play with Radagon. Let's burn the capital. Yeah. Well, you guys want to do it? Yeah, I was gonna say, you know what? You guys have capitals. You guys want to do freaking all capitals right now? And whoever, and Drew's the one. Drew gets special recognition and what's the word? Consideration, because he has young ones in the house. He has family to take care of. So, we can do Drew's first. We can do it at whatever pace Drew wants to unless you're gaming all night, brother. I know that happens sometimes with sometimes kids go to sleep, mama's tired, mama goes to bed, and dude, I used to game, man. I remember freaking being 5 in the morning and being like, oh my God, my wife's gonna kill me. So I'd like shut the light off and I'd sneak in and lay in the bed and try and she might move around a little bit. Because I don't want her to be like, is it 5:30 in the morning right now? One time she came out and she's like, have you been up all night? Guys, I was playing World of Warcraft, man. The game's addicting, folks. Do you want to run Drew's capital? Yeah. So which, your sign is down before. I am also at Ashen Capital. What grace? Is it called Ashen Capital? Is that what you're saying? What's the name of the grace? Oh, before Tree Sentinel. I can come there too, though, right? Was it Billy? Okay. I tried something new tonight. You're saying you're before Tree Sentinel, but I thought you said your capital was at the Ash. Tell me what grace to go to, Trey. Yeah. Okay, so we haven't done your regular capital yet, right? Or no, you're saying you just put your sign down here to meet here. I get it. Yeah, because you did say you have your Ashen Capital. Yep. I put the dirty finger down. The dirty finger has been lifted, folks. They should sell like wow. They should sell like things. They should sell things for like they come with Elden Ring, like oh, never mind. I don't want to get that graphic. What's going on? I'm putting it down at the right place, right, Trey? Right here? Yeah, going into Drew's world, Charlie. Charlie, your finger is where? Oh, because Drew hasn't done it yet. Okay. I see. Yeah, then I know. So I was right the first time. Yeah, Billy. I know. Yeah, I ran over here first, but then he said run outside, and he said my thing is down at the Tree Sentinel, but because I did not understand that Drew, that we're going to do Drew's Tree Sentinel. This guy, I think, is, if he's anything like his sister, he's pretty freaking strong against lightning. Drew says, to let you guys know, I'm going to have to limit my game time for the next few weeks. I have big projects launching at work, so I'll have limited time during the week. All right, Drew. Thanks for the warning, man. So we can get emotionally prepared. We have to be emotionally prepared for this, folks. Less Drew time, man. But, you know, Drew's... Guys, he's taking care of biz. Every day, taking care of business every way. Working overtime, right? How come there's no trolls? Because in my world, we killed them all, I think, right? And they don't respawn? You have to go into the capital door. Already beat Sentinel. Okay. So that's all good, man. It's a little run. My summon side disappeared. Oh, I could ride, huh? This is going to be fun, guys. I wasn't really excited about seeing... I just don't remember. I don't remember if that one was strong against lightning or not. I know the one outside of Maliketh was. If you're just getting here, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. I just no-hit Maliketh solo tonight. Phase 1 and 2, no-hit. First time ever doing that. I've no-hit Phase 1 before, and I've no-hit Phase 2 before. But I've never no-hit both phases at one time. And is it because of my amazing dodge, skill, parry, and stamina management skills, and knowing every move in the boss's architecture? No, it's a lightning cheese build. It's just a lightning cheese build, folks. Should you hang these things from the wire? Guys, sometimes you have to. It's like the same way, like sometimes I say sometimes you have to lift with your back, and they say not to. Sometimes you have to cut toward yourself. And sometimes you have to hang things from a wire, even though it's not good for them, because that way you can unwind it. But we did Blitzek. Adam, best of luck with the huge projects. Yeah, man. Thanks, bro. Absence makes the heart grow fonder. Absolutely. Yeah, we beat him together last time. Yeah, Lurkers love. No hit. Vanquishing. Folks, you absolutely love it. You know it. You know, I'm just waiting on a friend, folks. So I guess Drew's already gone for work, because he's, you know, he's not summoning me. Not seeing your shine. Yeah, I could totally reset it, my brother. Bottom link. Oh, I took out the password. Sorry, man. That's me. You guys get ready for breaking news, because you're gonna be stuck here for a freaking month, because I'm gonna forget to take it off. I'm gonna be giving a play-by-play with the boss. Hold on a second. Okay. There we go. Breaking news! Charlie remembers to put the seam back. Okay, wait. Okay, I got it down now. Don't forget the dirty tongue. Trey wants that dirty tongue, Charlie. You deleted your password for the rando, Kevin Cook. I did. Thank you, Kevin. I did, man. I just remembered. If you're new to this room, we got new people coming in all the time. I'm Charlie. Play guitar, play chess. I say this sometimes too much. How we do it? Where are we at in the, I don't even have a thing that tells me, I guess I'll get an alert when we get a sub. I get an alert. That's right. I posted some shorts today, guys. I posted the cheese. I posted Drew's Godric cheese. And oh my god, it's so beautiful. Me and Trey hit him once really hard and get him like 60%. And then Drew walks up. Trey's got him locked down with the common azure. I come in. You see Drew's freaking Moog blood flowing. The common azure is ripping through him. I hit the lightning and he goes, his health bar goes, and freaking gets deleted, man. It's beautiful, guys. It's here on YouTube. It's a short. I posted it today. And you know what's really weird? That short got so few plays. It's like something's wrong. It's like, you know, it's like I put like a dirty word in the title. I went back. I'm like, what is going on with this reel? When my reels do bad, they'll get, you know, 300 or 400 views. Oh man, I knew you were gonna do that. You're gonna have to come back and summon me. I just fell off the elevator. We're at 754. Love it, man. Thank you for the sub, man. 754. One more, rounded out to 755 for the day. So yeah, I don't understand it. Yeah, you know what happened is time of day, Billy. I This is what I do, brother. This is what I do. Yeah. I know the time of day matters. I also know that people that it doesn't matter to them, the time of day doesn't matter. Like, but I do research on when to post my reels. I don't just like post them randomly, and then some do better than others. And hey, I got lucky with. No, I pay attention to all that stuff. Okay, it was posted at the right time, and it's literally called Godric, the Godric 3 Cheese Special, and the freaking thumbnail. Because you can't control your thumbnails on YouTube. It picks it for you. The thumbnail was awesome. Because you could see the comment is sure. And I had a big smile on my face. And it said, ha, on the screen. And it was like, I'm like, this is good. This is really good. I mean, there's not much to it. We buff out the door. I'm talking a little bit. And then we run in and cheese. And I can't understand why it would get that. It would do that much worse. Whoa. I'm so useless, man. I just came off of the Maliketh no-hit, so I just jumped on the elevator and just tried to spam my lightning, man. Yeah. Was he a cheater? Throwers in the lands between our plunge into darkness and Mesmer left because of the cheaters. That guy was cheating? Why'd you follow us down, Trey? Because you don't want to die from the elevator, huh? Pretty smart. I almost died from the elevator. If I would have just done anything like this and this, I might have hit him. But you're saying the guy was cheating, huh, Drew? If he's cheating, there's really nothing I could have done anyway. Whoa, straight up cheat. Oh, man. The PvP cheating is real, folks. Now, I guess next Grace we could summon there, right? You could. We're just going up the elevator and to the next Grace, right? Oh, can we summon there, or do we have to summon here? You guys know all the ins and outs. Hit him with my Maria's Ash and didn't do anything. Then slashed through him and nothing again. Killed me with 3 hits. Ah, well, it's okay. Trey came down to keep us busy. Or keep us safe. Now we gotta go all the way to Godfrey. Okay, cool. Love it. Godfrey. Man, dude, my Godfrey. I gotta make at least a clip of that too, but maybe just a little I gotta do maybe a video with of a few different bosses. Lightning build against Godfrey was crazy because I went in, I couldn't summon my Black Knife Tish. Because I had put the finger down for Trey and didn't lift it back up. And that was dumb. Because then I'm like, why can't I summon? Why can't I summon? And I'm running around. That fight took a long time because I finally realized I had to nullify my finger. And then when I did, I had to wait like 20 seconds for it to go away. And then I summoned someone. I'd probably like a Black Knife Tish. And then I killed the boss. That was wild, man. Okay. You both have Ashen Capital. Cool. Oh, I should put a walking around spell. Did we get invaded? What's up, Bubble Boy? He's gonna blow a bubble! That dude was fixing to blow a bubble. You take a boss out? Sorry, Bubble Boy. He doesn't want the loot, folks. You pull that action cap. I hate that guy. I never kill him. He's got rot poopies, doesn't he? You know why I don't mind running a little whoa. Dude, that big pitchfork scared me. Does that do damn to me, bro? Does that hurt? I gotta be careful with the health pots. Might need them for the boss, so definitely. Oh God. It's a fight, folks. It's a fight to see who can get the most cheese off faster. Lots of cheese, guys. It's the contest. It's a cheese contest. You guys ever enter a cheese contest? Don't want the loot, folks. There's loot over here. I know it doesn't matter. Didn't know that big bubble boy can rot. Guys, you gotta be careful about the apple dumpling gang. Trey died. So do we have to go back? God, why are we killing these things, man? Can you summon him anywhere? We got to go back. Ha! He got sandwiched. We got to go back. We got to go back. We leave no man behind. Yep. All right, guys. We can make the run again. We're getting better at it. That's for damn sure. I don't know if you guys heard, but I no hit Maliketh today. Who said that? Someone sounds like they're bragging. Someone sounds like they're full of themselves. Okay. Dude, my hair looks crazy, man. Guys, it's Friday night, isn't it? If my hair didn't look so crazy, I might run out to the freaking bar. I can't because I have to buy a part for my car, guys. My license plate lights, they don't shine my license plate, or at least I've been pulled over for it a couple of times. And I'm like, they're factory lights. Nothing's burned out. Look at it. And the guy's like, I know, it just doesn't light it up enough. I'm like, they don't even write me a ticket for it. They just pull me over. Got to get it fixed. I looked online. I found some replacement ones. 300% brighter LEDs, guys. Dude, cheap. They're like $10 each or something. Maybe for a pair. I think they snap right in. Should be pretty easy. I can have them here by Monday. I just don't want to be driving around at night with my license plate, rear license plate, not lit up enough. You know what I mean? And I want to get it fixed by Tuesday. Brass Hall when I drive home at 1 o'clock in the morning from my open mic. The loot. We already got the loot. Yeah. Got to go back, says Billy. Okay. Trey is trying to min-max the position of his sign, putting it as close to the elevator as humanly possible. Or as Elden Ringly possible. Okay. Whoa. Bubble boys are doing work. Bubble boys are doing work, folks. The little green hornets are the one that drive me nuts. Stop hitting me. I think I might watch me die now. These are all stuff I need for the boss. All that health wasted. We have warming stones for that, folks. You should be able to put a warming stone in your pocket. Where's Trey? He's back over there still? No, he's way ahead. I think Trey's pulling Goddard right now. Or gold free, I mean. Drew just floating around. Yeah. It's freaking, it's the PvP experience here at Elden Ring. So did Trey take them all out or what? Trey's even got aggro on him for us. Trey's gonna be sleeping up here somewhere. Did make a campfire or something? Sorry, Trey. Took us a second. Got here as quick as we could. Yeah, I like the way Drew kind of floated up the elevator, right? I mean well, you know what I mean. Should I drink, man? I'm probably dead. I mean, there's no... I'm probably dead. I'm not dead. My main man, Jackery Taylor, how you doing, brother? How you doing, man? We are going to do Drew's... Godfrey. Do we get invaded? Stream rock, guys. Trey wants to kill this thing. Why? Oh, that's why. I took care of it. I thought I did. Okay. Good. At this rate, we'll have no mana for the boss. The knight is so aggro. Is there something over here that you break? Alright. Starlight Shard for me. Yo ho, a Starlight Shard for me. Stream rock, a Starlight Shard for me. This dude right here is like... I'm almost there. You guys can go in. I'll go live out first. Flame, give me some... Oh my god, we gotta add. Let's do it. I have a bubble, LOL. He knows what I did to him, and he wants me, guys. I love doing the cheese thing, like, just to do the cheese thing. It has, like, nothing to do with gaming at all. Like I'm totally risking everything. What's happening? I thought he was dead. Did you give up? Should we have gone back for Trey on that one? No, we should not have. We should have killed that one because that one could have took forever. Yeah. Look at my health, dude. I thought I killed him on the first or the second lightning cheese thing, and then yeah. Billy Molyneux has had a friend who had that issue and bought some battery-operated LEDs. It was hilarious having to turn them off and on manually all the time. Yeah. Preferably, hopefully, don't have to do that. Okay, so what do we do now? We got to run all the way again for Gideon, or can you summon us at that grace now? Probably because we zoned in and he was outside. We'll have to do the whole run again for Morgott. Yeah. I don't mind doing it if you guys don't mind running straight there. I guess it's fun killing stuff, but the problem with killing stuff is stuff happens. We get invaded. We wasted pots. We get there depleted. It takes 20 minutes, and then someone dies, and we got to go back again, which is cool, you know. I don't know if Drew wants to spend the rest of his time running it, or he wants to just kill his Morgott, or what. Did he kill Trey or Drew? We got one invader, but going into the boss door. Yeah, that's what happened. Yeah, let's do it, man. Let's just run. And guys, I ain't even trying to be like that. If we spend the rest of the stream, I actually would rather not spend the rest of the stream running and then going back and running and then going back and running and then going back. That's why I want to go kill that boss, and I'd be totally down for it. You put it over here, right, Trey? Is this the closest possible min-max scenario? Wait, I don't see it. It works right there. I got mine on the step. Straight to Morgott. If we can make it straight to Morgott, I bet we can. I say that now, and then watch me kill something. We can limit. It's like 1 or 2 runs, but we got him first try. Oh yeah. Because if we die, then we got to run back, huh? Is this not a good spot? Godfrey is dead. You can't summon me once Godfrey's dead, so you can't summon people for Morgott? For Morgott? Oh, Queenside Bedchamber, he's saying. You want to try Queenside Bedchamber? Queenside. Do I have that? I don't have that yet. Oh, no, I have it. Lendl, Capital of Ashes. So what's going on? I left my... Oh, yeah. I left my run-in. Yeah. I don't have Queen's Bed Chamber yet on this playthrough. Yeah, that doesn't work. Okay, so we can't do that. Yeah. So what can we do? What can we do to help each other or help someone? Otherwise, I mean, I know one thing I can do is start running up to my graces. Godfrey is the area boss, so everything behind him isn't going to work. I swear we ran this whole thing for Morgat. No, Trey, Kat and I were there, and I didn't want to wait for you guys. You guys were going to run back or something, right? And I'm like, man, me and Kat will just do it. And Kat and I killed that Morgat. If you're talking about that time, I have my Ashen Capital to do, but this build for Drew can't help. Where the hell, guys? I never know where I am. Okay, I think I found it. I'll see if we can wipe him out. I have my Ashen Capital to do. Okay. Yeah. If that was the time, Kat and I just, and you guys were a little bit sad because we had fought so hard to get there. Or you wanted to get it, but it's just like, man, I don't want to do that run again. I don't want to go all the way back. It's crazy. That's kind of a little hole in the PvP scenario. That big, long, stupid run. But you know what? It makes it worth it, right? It makes it worth it. So, this is my Gideon. So, does any Ashen Capital people want to come kill Gideon? I think. You know what? Let me cheese him. Because I want to cheese him. But I might be down for the boss. What's after Gideon? Godfrey, right? Is it Godfrey Horaloo already? Is it game over? Is it game over? Guys, I think the game's almost over. He's not dead. He's not dead. He's not close. I shouldn't have done that. Got him. Oh my god, I didn't get him. Don't you dare heal. Oh! See, I'm just like dying to nail him with the nuke, man. I could have just killed him. I could switch for Gideon. Let's do it. Switch, man. Come on in. Let's do Gideon and Godfrey if you guys want to. If you guys want to bring the cheese team. Drew, you said you have these to do too, right? And I can summon here. I can summon here, right? Gold effigy down. Looking. Is this good or do I have to do it somewhere else? Gideon is annoying. Him and Celibus, whatever his name is. Yeah, you're at Gideon's door, okay. I'm looking and I don't see it. I don't see it. Okay. So what do? Fingers down. I know you're saying that, but there's no summon thing at Gideon's door. Wait, was it there, Drew? I see it now. I see one. Yeah, I got Trey. But I don't see Drew's unless Drew's is underneath his. Did they perfectly stack? Just put yours down. Cool. Looking. I'm not seeing them. Oh, that would suck if that fell like between the buildings and I died right there. Now it'll be there for good luck, guys, because I ran away. I don't see it. Ah, there it is. Sometimes you gotta run away from it. What is this guy's name? Guys, what my friend earlier was saying yesterday about they're featuring vertical live streams in the shorts feed. That might be a way for me to get a whole bunch of... Oh, wait, did I summon the wrong guy? Is that not Drew? So, guys, tomorrow, like in the afternoon, I might go live vertically playing Elden Ring right here on YouTube. So if you see it, check it out. Come say hello. Throw me a little something. Throw me a little something, guys. Keep me pumped in the... Oh, we can buff in there, huh? I didn't have my incants. Wrong spell. That was my bubble. Indubitably. He drank because he's scared. You better be scared there, buddy. There's no way!
Until now.
I should have probably stayed back and done lightning spears. Did you guys die before me? I go stake from Marika, right? Forget that incant roots me in place. Hey, it was first attempt, man. It's been a minute. Gideon can be an annoyer. Interesting, it's popped me over here. Well, I mean, the stake of Marika's there, but still. Okay, guys, I will do better. Apparently, strong versus lightning. Oh, here's one. Here's one of y'all. The cannoli experiment. Drew's name is literally the cannoli experiment. I don't know what it means. I don't know what you're doing over there with the cannolis. Trey is rebuilding his character. Okay. The cannoli experiment. Look, guys. Look. The cannoli experiment. See his name? Cannoli experiment. Okay. Hey. I knew that was going to happen. Nice. We got him like millennia. We got him. We got him running 3 different directions. Don't let him heal. He healed. The cannoli experiment. Needs to be careful. He doesn't get rooted. Oh, I hit him with the big one. He's trying to drink. Oh, Trey's freaking melting him. He's one shot. Gideon goes down, folks. You absolutely love to see it. See you guys at the next fog wall. Guys, Gideon got bumped. Tanking ancient lightning and comet is there like you just hit him with a broken sword. That is so true. Oh, no. Trey, we got to do Trey's now, right? Trey. He did. Yep, okay. Running back out. Putting down the different... We're doing Trey's now, right? Trying to let him up with Comet. You know, I have... This is a faith build, right? 99 faith. And I have Dragon Communion Seals. I mean, I could just very easily go grab... at any time I want in the game, just go grab some rot poopies. You know what I'm saying? I know all I gotta do is equip them. You better run for my golden bow. What's he doing in there? Oh, he's trying to kill him before we showed up. Oh. Dude, these are hitting him good. Hey! Okay, so Drew doesn't need this, right? Because he's doing Margit. Unless Drew's here now, too. Whose was that? Do we need one more Gideon, or are we moving forward, guys? Was that Drew's Gideon or something? I don't understand. I am not... Another Gideon? And so, okay, do you need one, Drew? That's what I'm asking. Or do we move forward? In a forward... Like... Soldiers. Like Lendl soldiers. Okay. We have to move forward like good Lendl soldiers, folks. That's the wrong way. What am I doing? I ran out the wrong door, folks. No, I didn't. Oh, it's this way. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I could have gone to the bed chamber, huh? Oh, no, I don't have it on this character, though. Okay. I should have rested. The little assassin thing's there last time. It's not here this time, I guess. Yeah. Okay. Wait. Let me rest. Guys, I only have 1.1 runes. We lost 2,500,000 the other day. I had a level, guys. I had a level. We lost them. They're gone. Signed down at Summoning Pool before Godfrey. Right. Yeah. Yeah. Same place as usual, man. Got you, brother. Okay. Trey's first. Mine first. It doesn't matter, right? I want to know which one Trey put down, or does it matter? I'll put this one down, assuming we're doing Trey's first. And then if we're not, tell me you're doing mine first, and then I'll switch it. I'm getting into Marika's bed. You can't do that! Marika. Ooh, baby, when you talk like that. It's getting cold. Cool. Okay, now this boss better not be immune to cheese shenanigans. Because I want it to be freaking hilarious. I want to run in, and I want to do naughty cheese things with my friends. It is pretty funny that I was mad that I no hit the phase 1 of Maliketh. I was so mad because I wasn't buffed. That was freaking funny. I didn't get my golden valve, I don't think. After this first Godfrey. He doesn't take that much damn. And he just stands there because of the lag. I'm probably dead, right? Oh, God. Creepy with the lag, guys. You can't handle lightning, guys. It freaks him out. We leave no man behind, folks. We leave no not on that early of a pull. You know what I mean? Yeah. You didn't die, right? You bailed out, or you died on purpose? I actually shot one more lightning bolt than I thought I should. I thought I should back off. After this is Godfrey, I gotta go AFK. I said, oh, you probably should clear a cave or something if you're up for that. Yeah, you know what? I need a minute myself. It sounds to me like you need more than that. I need a minute, so I'll be right back. I don't know if I should leave you with the screen. I should leave you with freaking a trooper chair. I'm getting summoned. My finger's down. We're going to get invaded. But I need a minute, Trey. I'll be right back. Sorry, one more minute. Sorry about that. Just had to jump. Okay, BRB, your heart is racing. Yes. Me and me only died. Can fight one more time. Me and me. Okay, wait. Bird. I thought Trey summoned me. Something happened. What are we doing? It's a shame you can't shoot him with a freaking arrow through there. There used to be a cheese here, right, guys? You could, like, jump up and go in there and kill him or something. You beat the invader. Nice. And are you gone then? Gotta get the ears back on. Sent you home after the invader so I could rest. All right. I could rest too. I don't think I need to. Yeah, because I haven't popped anything yet. And that was... Whose Margit was that? Drew was saying he might be a while, huh? Because I don't want to just sit here for a while. So, what do I do? What do I do? What do I cheese? I think we already cheese a Rot Dragon in Caelid. No, maybe I didn't. I haven't even been to Caelid yet. I could run over here and get a, get some Caelid graces, man. Get some Caelid graces. Yeah, I've been here. Which way do I go? It's out this way, right? Yeah. You have the grace for the poopy dragon, Trey? I mean, it's gonna take me a minute to get there, but did I kill that guy already? No, I haven't been here yet. That guy drops in. He just not just on the steps. I thought this thing was... No, I have that grace. Okay, so I have a couple of graces. So I guess I do need to kind of just run. I think this one, I think I can jump up the air springs, can't I, and get there? Oh, is it going to be a while? Yeah, man, I can meet you. Yeah, well, it's going to take me a minute to get there, but can't I get there from Marika jumping up air springs or no? Is that like, am I kidding myself? I don't remember. I don't remember what the, we'll see. Yeah, I think he said, like, you guys might want to go clear a cave or do something like that. So weird. Whoa. Right? Yeah. Yep. And there's an invasion here that do I want to do? No, I don't. I want to skip that. Skip the Amigos invasion. Ride hard right, and you don't have to get invaded, folks. This is a cheese build. It is worthy only of bosses and tough enemies, not little flipping around little goofball freaking invaders that dodge every lightning spear. Aww. Give me that. Give me a piece of that, Grace. Yeah. Has anyone here ever watched any vertical streams? Vertical streams for like Elden Ring streams. Like on TikTok or something, like a live stream on TikTok. I mean, it's just like watching shorts, right? When you watch it, if you ever seen any Elden Ring TikTok, any gaming TikToks, they're all vertical, right? So, I guess some of you guys have I'm sure you've seen shorts, vertical shorts. Has any of you guys watched vertical streams like on TikTok? Curious. Whoa. This way. A little curious about that. Just like I said, tomorrow I might get up early. I kind of wanted to do it tonight, but I'm like, don't try something new tonight. You've been doing your 8 o'clock show. Do the 8 o'clock show, and if you want to do try something different, try it extra. You know what I mean? I remember this, Grace, dude. I swear, I remember this place in such a different way. Like I think I just remembered the first time I ever saw this, Grace. Is what I did, and I have not remembered this Grace like that before. I know this Grace, I know this area, and I just remembered that Grace like from the first time I saw it. I remember it being freaking nasty running through it too. It was horrifying. Snitches get stitches, folks. It's like there's a pumpkin head over there. I feel like there was something I did in my arrow build, in the bow build, that I wanted to loot over there. I ended up killing that pumpkin head, or just goofing. Maybe I was just goofing around with my arrows. I don't know. K-Lit Highway South, almost there, brother. Oh, yeah. Almost there. We're going to do the Rot Dragon, folks. Oh, God. Snitch get stitches and you guys didn't listen to me. Not if they're LOS, though. All right, guys. The trick with this dragon is to kill him before he gets the poopy. All right, Trey, looking for you, brother. Now, I almost feel like... Yeah, I wouldn't have a sign down, though, right? Is this spot good enough? Can I do it right by the Grace? Look. See if I can get the high ground. Or the actual... The better view. You there, Trey? Yeah, I just heard it pop, folks. Yeah. All right. I'm going to pretty much run in and just try and cheese him. I'll have a bubble on. I guess for fun. I'll put some Bulbasaurs up, folks. I think in one playthrough I just was mad. Yeah, I was. Hey! So I got some Bulbasaurs up, so that'll be good. Yeah. I'm gonna buff up and ride in on this fool. And just try and nuke him. Oh, I can't ride in on him yet. Watch his health! Watch his health! I'm hitting him, but I'm not killing him. I just clicked on it! I should put it on my other thing. I feel like I'm just not getting the damn required. I think I do need to remix that physic to that cerulean tier thing. Because, that was... You set me up good. And, mixed physic. I think I do need this one, guys. Dirty finger down. Because I think that's what keeps it channeling or something, maybe? I don't know. I just feel like, oh, there it is. His shot. Yeah, I know, man. I saw the freaking I had to get the Bulbasaurs up. Let me see. Equipment. Let's put him here. Okay, I got him in my rotation now. It'll be easier to relieve the Bulbasaur scenario. I'm already in it. Okay, just a little bit. How you doing, Trey? You got him? How did I die? I think I'm not watching. I'm watching my status build up, and I'm not watching my health go down. That's what happened. That's my fault both times, Trey. That's my fault both times. And I wonder if it's even worth it for me to try and stay out. I need to stay out of the poopy more is what I need to do, and then maybe pop a health pot and then a Bulbasaur in that order, rather than dying. Because I've got like, yeah. I've been only watching my status build up and not so much my health. I'm feeling like my health is at 100%, and my status build up is at like 70%. So now I got to start thinking about taking a Bulbasaur because I don't want it to get to 100%. It's like no. It did that twice, and I was already dead. So that's my fault, Trey. These are good pulls, man. You're giving me real good chances to get it off. Real good chances to give it off. Ooh, he's going, guys. I put my Vow over there so it wouldn't jack you up, bro. I ain't trying to jack you up. Freaking bloody finger. This guy's freaking on me, bro. Trey, that dude freaking came at the nasty time. That dude came and deleted me, bro. I was trying to do... Damn. We got invaded, folks. We got invaded at the wrong time. We got invaded... If we were to just kill that fool at the beginning... I put it down. Put it down, Trey. That guy came right after me, folks. I didn't even put the, I didn't even put the tongue out, bro. I didn't even do the dirty tongue solution. Oh, wait, did I? I didn't just... Excellent connection. I'm looking at my freaking, I see you now. Whoa. I see you now, Trey. Because I was going live a different way, for Poops and Giggles before. And now I was just going to stream on YouTube tonight. So I just went live directly to YouTube. And, you know what? Looks pretty nice. Gives me a little bit of information. We are going to have capital bosses continuing. It's Morgoth, right? Okay. Wow, he came at you, bro. He came at you hard, bro. He's trying to do poop because it's all he has in his life. Trey, okay. Just to show you that I'm getting better, chat will prove it. I literally was just exactly clicking on, I'm like, oh, okay, it's time to health pot. I was just clicking health pot. Yeah, you didn't know you were going to come in here and take... Oh, man, I just rested. You think you're going to take this much durability damage, huh, Trey? This is rough, guys. Let me see. We got this. All I got to do is heal. I have a heal right there. That's all I got to do. If I heal, we win. Same thing, but heal and win. Heal, Bulbasaur. Second burst, same as the first. Coming? He's coming. You guys think we could pull this off or what, man? I mean, it's clearly a skill scenario. Okay, I got my heal up. I die! I don't understand how I die. I mean, I understand my health goes to 0 and I die. Did you freaking see that? What am I doing? Like, there's no cue. There's no cue. Yeah. Thank you, Trey. You're so kind. You did much better that time, Charlie. You didn't die on the pole. I was like, okay, I got so much range now. I'm going to maybe switch to the lightning spear and we'll shut this thing down. We'll be done. It'll be great. Guess what? Well, besides the 500,000 or 600,000 runes that are gone forever, I lost a little bit of my soul in that last fight because what am I supposed to sit there and stare at my health bar? Phantom. That's what I feel, Joe. I hate to say it. It's not the game. It's definitely me. Yeah, I was kind of waiting for you to do something. Azure's not working. Ah, okay. Okay. Well, I'm sure you'll find something that works. All right, here we go, guys. I probably shouldn't have drank that so far out. Yeah, foot stomp one time. I see it now. Looking at my health. Oh God, no! Almost choking. Just take him out, Trey. Okay, drink. Put him out! Big one! Shot him out of the sky, folks! Woo! Thank you, Trey. Hey! Hey! Hey, guys! You saw it. You saw it here first. The 5 attempt freaking rot dragon. It was super weird to even say not rot or anything. Well, no, I did see that status effect in the middle of the screen. I had that. But look at my health. It's not doing any damage to me. It's going down. It's not doing any damage to me. And I had just healed up and then ate a Bulbasaur. One of these. Which makes that go away. And I'm looking at the boss, and I know that there's some red stuff around. And I saw the status thing going up. But I didn't realize how fast it was eating my life. Dennis March, are you using the Axe Talisman? No. Why? You feel like I should? Equipment Thorio. The Axe Talisman. This is the lightning build. This is a lightning build. So if Drew is maybe not coming back, then what do we do, man? I don't want to just sit around, man. So maybe I will... What time is it? It's only 10 o'clock. I'm hoping to stream for 2 hours. Maybe I'll switch characters and do something else. Quick game. Yes. The Morning Star, I think, was at a reasonable spot, guys. I'm trying to remember where the Morning Star was. Let's go check them out. The Morning Star is Claudia 1850. The Morning Star is not done with the game. The Morning Star has been a lot of fun. Melee build. Load game. Claudia 1850. Only level 127. 127, guys. Castle SOL. What was I? How the hell did I think I was going to... What? It's done? I think it's done, guys. It's done. I'm like, how am I ever going to do this? It's done. Is the F Giant done, though? F Giant is not done. Wait. F Giant is done. Capital is not burnt. Okay, so all that's good. Radon. Yeah, see, so that's the thing about this character. Oh, I could go here. I could go here. Do you guys want to sing the Haligtree song, guys? Do you guys want to sing the Haligtree song? I mean, I think I'm pretty close, guys. I think I'm pretty close to the Haligtree. is like Millennia the only big thing to do with the Halig tree? Oh no, I didn't want to hoist the damn medallion. I wanted to freaking do the alternate. Dennis Marks, what's going on with you tonight, my brother? Hope everything is good. I have had on this playthrough the most amazing fire giant and the most amazing Maliketh. They were both kind of shocking, both kind of weird, both kind of fun. And in this build did way better on fire giant than I thought it would. I didn't think it was going to do near as much damage. It was insane. It was insane. It's going to be okay on Radagon 2, I think, but Elden Beast, man. It's going to be a trip, guys. Elden Beast is a freaking joke. It's just a long fight. I cannot believe I did all this, guys. I just freaking... I could skip that, though, huh? You gotta change the freaking... Am I... Guys, level 127 at the Halig tree? Really? Game's done. It's a little low level, huh? It's low level for me. I've never... But I'm pretty sure that... I'm pretty sure that... Drew and Trey probably helped me kill some stuff, right? As soon as I stopped trying to get the nuke off, we won. Yeah, right. Yep. And as soon as I stopped dying to the rot, you know what I mean? Yeah, it was pretty easy. It's not a hard fight. The rot, that one fight that I use my horse sometimes. I like to get away. Loose S spells work way better. I'm trying to remember. I'd have to go back and look, man. I don't even remember. You guys might have helped me do the Morning Star Commander Niall, because it would have been pretty tricky with the freaking Morning Star, because he's always spinning. Yeah, this Mark says, I saw the ace icon under your bar. Okay, was going to say attack power boots do work for sorceries, incantations. Ah, the ace icon. That is so awesome that you even understand any of that stuff, man. Yeah, see, I should learn what all those things mean. Now, this character, Axe Talisman, charge attacks, raising my dex for some buffs, I guess, or something. Oh no, raising dex for bleed. Stamina recovery speed and fire damage negation all the way from back when. So this can change to something more efficient. Probably more stamina would be nice. That would probably be a good one too. Okay. We'll see how it works. Yeah, axe, not ace. Okay. This... Let me see. That's a charge attack. Is there a... Okay, and I got that. Okay. Which I don't use very often. Let's see if we can do some melee. That dude just did the freaking move that Maliketh Phase 1 was doing to me. The poopies on the ground move. Okay. Almost made it into the door, folks. Ooh, Glowboard 9 might want to hold on to that one. Yeah, man. Kind of waiting to see if Drew's going to come back or not. Whoa. Okay. Oh, God. Ooh, and it dropped in elevation right there. It freaked me out. sister's gonna come. That move. I should drink. That move, man. But yet this wall is not so giving. Okay. Yeah, so I wouldn't mind get back to capital if Drew makes it back, but if he doesn't, that's cool too, man. Oh my god, no. I got hung up on that freaking candelabra. Does this door ever open to anything, guys? Is there like a lever for that? It almost feels like... I want to go in a cave with like crystal stuff. This thing just doesn't work, huh? You can't knock it, you can't whack it, you can't make it happen. And these guys will chase me all the way to the grace. I could drop down and do the ash, maybe. F it. Oh, but wait. We're going to have to drive. Just touch the grace. That's all I care about. There we go. Anything other guys down here? Nice. Give me my glove warts. Ooh, yeah. Probably just want the loot. Frost grease might come in handy. Guys, we still have a little ways to go to the yeah, we do. Okay. Now, run north, they said. I feel like that was a good move. It's a freaking graveyard over here, bro. Is there anything... I'm like looking down and stuff. Can I drop anywhere special? I think I can't. Now I'm going south. Yeah, this is all wrong. Oh, there's a road over here, though. Looks like a road. Felt like a road. Come on. How come I never really noticed a road before? Oh, it's the road that the freaking, that everything is, the caravan's on, right? Whoa. That dude was freaking spamming, bro. Damn, it's still spamming arrows at me. I don't remember that. I don't remember following this road, guys. Well, I'm not very good at it, for starters. Oh! Okay. Gotta watch out for the blue balls, guys. Blue balls everywhere! That's what I always say. I always say that. Blue balls everywhere. Okay, I thought I was gonna die. Come on. Come on. Give me a little bit of vision. Oh, is it Grace right here? It is. Found it! Now I know where I am. There's a boss in that dungeon. Yeah, you're talking like over the one over here or something? I know where this is. It's right there. The, are the smithing sevens or something there? What is it? What is in there? It's a cave, right? There's some reason to go there. Give me the map. The consort created snow fields. We got this. Okay. Run past the fools. The hidden path catacombs. Yeah, it's kind of up and around the corner, huh? I think I know where it is. Wait. Or Dinah. Now, do you think we can just... I mean, I've got a lot of endurance, guys. So I should be able to zerg through the freaking... jumping, dodging, dipping, diving, dodging, right? The liturgical place. What do you guys think? When I have ranged, I find I can usually come over here, get some shots off on a fool. But yeah, after I activate it. You gotta activate it first. Someone actually told me about loot down here too, and I never knew it was here, guys. Not the butterflies. This. Black knife armor. Yeah, man. That's free loot, folks. You love to see it. Howdy, Jason Staffen. What's up, dude? Good to see you, my friend. I could have just come back to the Grace, but we ran back. Stupid Albrionic archers, Billy. They're annoyoyers, man. I hate them. They make me annoyed. Trey, you didn't need to get that that rot dragon, did you? I didn't even ask you. I just assumed you had it dead. I actually bailed out of there pretty quick. I didn't see you said anything about it, so I'm assuming that you had it. Okay. Stream Rock. This, I find, is a pretty easy route, although I say this now, and last time, an archer freaking shot at me, bro. You shot at me. Dude, I got him a Achilles Lily. Are those expensive? What do you use them for? Keller's gonna be pissed. I feel like sometimes I don't get attacked by the archer, and sometimes I do. Maybe like I'm making a bunch of noise or something. I don't know. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. We play Elden Ring After Dark, folks. We're going to be doing all the downloadable content and playing the game until the new stuff, Shadow of the Erdtree, drops. And we got a cool community, so if you want to be part of it, get involved. See what I'm saying? See what I'm doing here? Like, usually I don't do that. Usually I just run. And I would say most of the time, I don't get hit. Every once in a while, donk, he'll donk me right here. Yeah, so I probably aggro him from that other spot. That's what I'm guessing. So the guy on the right really isn't that big of a deal. You just gotta dodge. You gotta duck, dodge, dip, dive, dodge ball. You could dodge a wrench. You could dodge an arrow. Right? Whoa. Okay. The fool's looking at me, man. Let's drink. Grant me strength. Left flame blade. Drink that. Two-hand that. And just get her done. Okay. I should have probably drank. Wait. Oh no! I had it. I'm so mad at myself. They'll stop shooting, right? I cannot believe I just did that. I don't think I've ever fallen right there like that. Now watch this guy over here start shooting me. That was sucked, man. I freaking fell, dude. I don't usually fall there. I would, you know what I did though? I was like, okay, do a perfect dodge. Now we got no nothing. Let's just go. Come on. How? What am I doing wrong there, man? I guess it's not running. My new character is all decked out. Just need to get Consecrated Snowfield and get Meteorite from Estelle Part 2, and my spells will be up to snuff. Nice, Billy. Squirrels are being pretty nutty, folks. Man, I'm telling you. No squirrels over here, man. Not yet. Why would I do that? Hold on. There we go. I didn't know I could do that. Yep, okay. I was like, oh, can I LOS one? That was stupid. I should have ran at him and tried to roll. That's okay. We made it pretty far. Now I got it. I understand what I'm doing. I already knew what I'm doing. You say, no, you didn't. You freaking... Oh, that's the first time I died. Right? Yeah, because I kept falling when the fire spells we're using yesterday at Rot Lake to alleviate status ailments. That's Flame Cleanse Me. Flame Cleanse Me. Which I don't think I have it equipped anymore. Because I might. Yeah, no, I do. I actually do have it equipped. Come on. Okay, well now we have our buff, which might be some damage negation. And these Blood Flame, Blade Flame grant me strength will give me a little bit of a... There's no way! So I have to dodge that one too. Yeah, it was Flame Cleanse Me. Flame Cleanse Me. It works great for the rot poopies. As a matter of fact, I probably could have just equipped it for that other guy, but I had the bulbuses. Equipment. That's what I want, man. Oh. What kind of damage are those things doing? This thing here is making me take more damage. That's a huge mistake. Those arrows. Do you know what kind of damage those arrows are doing to me, Drew? I mean, Trey. It didn't look like magic. I don't have that many things here anyway. Raises defense. 1 HP is at max. I'm guessing then just more stam. There we go. Okay, we have more endurance now, and we're gonna take less damage. Yeah, that icon was about the dumbest thing I could have, because this isn't a damage thing. This is a survive thing. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I didn't enter. Son of a gun. What the hell am I doing, guys? I get my freaking bearings. Where's the freaking grace? Okay. I didn't enter the Everjail, guys. I just jumped in like I could ride in on my horse. Flame cleanse me. Yeah. Need to utilize that one. Grab tomorrow my second character. I'm sure I have it on my first character. Yeah, flame cleanse me is pretty cool. I just like it for freaking the rot lake thing. And I'll tell you something too. When I first saw it, I was like, this is so unfair that like these faith caster freaking like they didn't have to freaking suffer like I suffered at the rot lake. Now it's like you just run. You could just run and heal. Bulbasaur's help, you don't need them. You could just run, heal, get to the grace, rest. No big deal. You know what I mean? At the time, it seemed like a big deal. Okay. Another thing I could have done maybe was indubitably bubbly tier, but I don't think so. Yeah, it would have been better to get through this. God! That could be such an annoying part of the game, man. Yeah, I usually would use Law of Regression, but it takes a while to cast. I've never used that one. What I have used, I'll tell you this though, man. What I never used before was Divine Fortification, that I know of. I think that's what it's called, right? Divine Fortification. The Holy Damage Negation spell. Or Incant. Oh my god. I made him mad. Come on! Doesn't matter. The other one is already lit, buddy. You can kill me, but you can't ruin my life. A seal was broken in town. Okay. That Divine Fortification made all the difference for Elden Beast for me, man. It was freaking... God. Alright. Looks like we are ready to do the Halig Tree, guys. But you know what? I am not going to. I'm going to wait. That way, next stream, we can all sing the Halig Tree song together. We'll have more attendance. If you like what you see and you want to sing the Halig Tree song, hit subscribe, please. It'd help us out a lot. And hit the bell notifications so you get notified when we go live. I'll be back tomorrow. And I will definitely, almost certainly be back for a while in the middle of the day earlier for some vertical format. And see if we can get into that shorts feed. That'd be probably a good thing. Trey, thank you. I love you, brother. Drew, have a good night. He didn't make it back, but he said it was going to take a minute. That's good. Thank you, everyone, for being here. All the support, all the love. I will catch you guys later. And goodbye. It's a new way to end the stream, folks. So I'm streaming directly to YouTube today. Good night.